Hello my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Florals are really big this year for summer. So if you would like to get some ideas or figure out how to wear florals with your wardrobe, then just keep on watching. My first option here is an all-over floral pattern romper. It's really cute for summer. I know you guys are probably seeing florals all over the stores and it can be a bit scary, but what I like to do is whenever I'm wearing an all-over floral pattern, I like for my florals to be large in size and not small. So that's the key thing that I wanted you to get from this outfit. All over floral, make sure the patterns are nice and large. Now with this second outfit, I wanted to dress it up a little bit, and it's also an all-over floral pattern. Now what I want you to notice here is that it is a nice light background and the colors that are coming out are popping through, but it's not something that is like overpowering, and I'm making sure that I'm putting nude colored things to go along with it. One thing you don't want to do is put floral patterns with other patterns. I feel like you should keep it very simple whenever you're wearing floral. I really love this look, and I will leave all the information down in the description. Next here, I decided to take one floral statement piece and put it together with a bunch of neutrals and other things that just come out of your closet, like regular staples that you have. So here I have a kimono, or you could wear a long duster that has an all-over floral pattern, and then just simply put it with some solid colors to help bring out the colors. The other thing I really like about this outfit is that it's simple black and white. If you're afraid to experiment with colors right away in florals, then black and white is the way to go. Now with this outfit, I took one statement floral piece, which is the skirt, of course, and I just simply paired it with other solids to help bring out the colors in the floral skirt. Now you can do this with skirts, shirts, blazers, even your accessories. You can have on the plain black, blue dress, whatever, and then put a big floral bag or book bag or however you want to dress up your style, and that can be that statement floral piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and definitely got something from it. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.